for our instrumentation project, we built a glove multimeter that has so many features. Starting first with the lux. As you can see, the lux is fluctuating between 300 high to 200. This is the lux of the room. If I put my hand on the LDR, it drops quickly till 0. If I remove it, it becomes 300. Okay, so we can change states using the push button. If I press the push button, the next feature we're gonna do is measuring resistance. Here we have two resistors. The first resistance it's giving us is 1.5 mega ohms. The second one is 9.78, which is a bit close to 10 kilo ohms. Now, moving on to the next feature, which is diode testing. As you can see, we have a diode here. I will try to see if this diode works. If it works, the buzzer will give a sound. As you can see, it works. If I flip this diode and I try again, it will not beep. Moving now to the next feature, which is continuity testing. For continuity testing, I can just use my two fingers since it gives a short circuit. And as you can see, the buzzer also is giving a sound. Moving to the last feature of this glove, which is measuring capacitance. As you can see, we have two capacitors here. The first one is a microfarads capacitor, and the second one is a 2.2 microfarad capacitor. Measuring the first one, you can see in the screen, it's giving a 1 microfarad capacitance. Moving now to measuring current, I'm applying 5 volts on a 10 ohm resistor, and I'm gonna measure the current flowing through it. Okay, as you can see, the current is 0.49, which is accurate. Okay, moving now to the next state, which is measuring frequency. As you can see on the screen, it's 3.7 kilohertz, and it's giving on the glove 3732 hertz. Moving now to measuring duty cycle, you can see that the duty cycles are 80%, and on the glove it's giving 78.8%. Okay. Moving now to measuring differential voltage, I'm gonna put on a finger 5 volts and on the second 16, and it should give 10. Actually, the 15 is 15.6, and the value is correct, which is 10.6 volts. Moving now to measuring voltage to ground, I'm gonna put a 15.6, it's giving 15.55 and 5 volts